don't work.
What?
It don't. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Nobody. I guess nobody steals these things very much.
Whoop! There you go.
Trailer hitch sticks out further than everything else.
Oh yeah, I see that. Already down front, Betty?
No, not yet.
Okay. Whoop! Armstrong.
Anywhere in North America, unless you go to an airport, you can't buy fuel the proper octane for it though.
Okay.
It's supposed to be 97 octane, I believe. I guess we used to be able to buy 97 octane at one point in time here, but even with Supreme gas, usually you have to install it with the in gear with the clutch to shut it off. Otherwise you'll get free ignition.
Okay.
But I've usually added octane boosting to it.
Okay. That's a good. Thank you very much for that suggestion. What a great little trailers these U-Haul trailers are.
Yeah, they're great.
The way they hook down, you know, they run them on the road.
Really well made.
Yep, they are. They're good. Now, if you will drive that bad boy up here, slow. Very much appreciated. What year is this thing? 66?
Yeah.
What year is this? 66?
I'd forgotten what year I got it until I found the dug out the file for the permit and everything.
Yes.
The ownership papers was 1988.
1988. That's been a while. 88. That's 32 years. Wow. 32 years. Driver he is. You're a very competent driver, you are.
Oh,
I can put the
shoot.
fender down.
Oh, okay. I could squeeze that if my life depended on it.
I know.
That'll be much easier. Be much easier that way.
You've owned her 32 years.
Yeah.
2 years is a long time, though.
For insurance reasons, it was 2 years, a little bit prior to that, I forget the date now, it was praised. A little earlier in the 80s, it was praised for 5,000.
There you go.
And actually, the receipt that I have for the Clutch Master Stoners, for the guy down in Burnside,
Yes.
you might never have heard of it, but he's a service manager at a shop in Windmill Road called Nova Automotive.
Yes, I know that. He's in the Volvo.
Yes. You ever seen his cars?
No, very nice of him.
He has one of these
Yeah.
in his basement at home
Huh?
that you can lift any floor mat in it, the trunk, front seat, back seat, open the hood.
Beautiful.
It looks like it came from the factory.
I like that. Don't get me wrong, I like that. But I don't have to have that in my life.
No.
I've been there, and it's just.
I asked, I said, if you wanted to sell that car someday, what would you ask said somewhere between 25 and 30,000.
Yeah. You could never fix it or build it, you know, for that. You know, meantime you get the paint work, in time you get everything looking that good, flipped over, get all the brakes redone, new tire.
But one thing he does have in his basement, or he did have 2 years ago when I saw him last, was the front hood and both front fenders to fit this car. That came from the southern U.S.
These ones don't look that bad. I know they get a little bit bad, but
Actually, here, that's heavy enough that you can actually weld that.
yeah.
Yeah.
I never noticed that one there, but they don't look that, like, to me, I don't think I would run anywhere for anything on this car. I would just fix it.
I know I didn't realize it when I bought it that it had a skim of body filler in front of the hood.
Well, you know what? I'd probably put some more back on it.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Hey, hurt or none. That's just a little makeup, make her look good.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little makeup, make her look good. Yeah.
But it,
no, it's a cute little car.
I know I drove it back and forth to Bass River a lot in the summer for I don't know how many years.
Okay.
And since 2000 up until last year, it towed the utility trailer with the lawn tractor on the back crew every weekend.
Well, there you go. You worked it.
Yeah.
This thing must have been made in Halifax, was it?
It was, yeah.
In Halifax. We were talking about that today, and they were always claiming to be the safest car on the road, were they not? I wonder if that hurt them or not, you know, trying to be safe where no one cared.
I don't know. Well, this 1965 that I had, that was the old humpback one.
Yeah?
I was driving down, well, Pictou Road in Bible Hill, completely in the right with my right-of-way.
Yes?
A girl ran a stop sign and broadsided me. She must have been in a hurry because I heard tires squealing.
Yeah? And then you got the bang.
All of a sudden, bang.
Yeah?
It hit the passenger side of the car. I could still open and close the door.
Wow. So you're saying it was safe?
Yeah. My wife was in the passenger seat. Never even hardly phased her a bit.
Wow.
Well, good. Number 3,000, I said to her on the plate of this thing, on the old antique cars, you're number 3,050,560.
Yeah.
Right now we're up to, I think we're up to J and L, so each letterhead is 1,000 cars, you know. It kind of tells you how long ago that was, you know. I haven't got one with any letters on, you know, any numbers. I have a letter first.
Did they give you anything to tie the back down with?
They got a cable right there. And I'm going to go underneath there and wrap it underneath the rear end.
Actually, I just hooked it on the trailer hitch, to be honest with you.
It's a cool old car.
I hate to see it go, but then I hate to see it sit around too much longer, too.
Let's gather up some stuff if you got some stuff
Yeah.
for it. That's what I like. We'll put it in the back of the truck, eh, baby?
Actually, if you want to, for the transmission, it's dry and everything, but...
I'll probably put it right in the back here. I got a rubber mat in here.
Okay.
Stuff like that.
And when you put the overdrive transmission, then you need a different front section of the drive shaft, which I hear anyway.
Okay. Man, I do a lot of that. I do a lot of rigging and rolling, I'll tell you, when it comes to that stuff.
Yeah.
I do.
Well, I'm sure you'll get enjoyment.
Oh yeah, listen, the wheels are turning.
It's funny because for an MBI, I'm not sure how many years ago it was now, the guy said, you need a ball joint. He said, good luck finding one. I got one at the local UAP dealer.
There you go. Huh? Alrighty. Nice big shed?
Yeah. Easier to carry stuff out this
Yes. Nice big shed. Look at that, baby. Wheel spacers.
No.
No. I make wheel spacers. I can cut this off.
Oh yeah.
And this is your wheel spacer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, the front tires on that front wheels on that car.
Yeah.
For those wheels that are on it now, they were jamming on the brake calipers. So I just took a 1/2-inch washer on each wheel stud for a spacer.
Would have worked for you.
It would have worked.
Yeah.
Wrong. Whole center.
Yeah. What was I gonna say now? What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say now?
Oh yeah, plus one little tip for you, ordering any parts from the US.
Yeah.
Tell them they have to put antique auto parts on the package.
Okay.
It comes through duty free. The first thing I ordered out of the States for it took me over a month to get it.
Yeah.
Had to go through customs clearance, a brokerage house.
Yeah.
The brokerage and the customs fees cost me more than the parts.
Mm-hmm.
I noticed all this piece. I'm working with this stuff sorted now, right now. The clutch and so this goes to it.
Yep. There's ball joints in there.
Oh, we'll peek through it after I get
There's 3 new ones.
this dry shaft.
Yeah.
This.
Land.
Okay.
Clutch
So,
release bearing.
right on.
Clutch and pressure plate.
Yep.
I've never had to change the clutch on that car.
Well, that's a good thing. That means you were driving it right.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? Means you were driving it right.
The transmission that's in it, actually, I bought it, let's see, 3 miles down the road for $50.
There you go.
They say you can't get parts for old cars.
Yeah, you can if you look around. You know what I'm saying? You can if you look
So
around.
that's the guy I bought that from, though. His father used to work at the Volvo plant.
Right?
And the transmission is in here.
There now, would you? Is that the valve housing right there?
That's another one. You can have it if you want it.
Is it an odd one, you say?
No, it's another one.
Okay, that
Take
will
them off,
fit.
take them off of that. Oh yeah,
Yeah?
it fits.
Definitely, definitely. Anytime I get in that sort of trouble, I'd want something like that.
I'll grab this in.
Would that pick up by that or?
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Not be for the synchronizer rings or anything.
Yeah, gotcha.
Got her okay?
Yeah. I'm a big boy now.
Bell housing's pretty light.
Yeah.
That's one of the few things made of aluminum.
That's got like a reduction gear on that.
And like you had the same transmission without the overdrive, you use 80-90 gear oil,
Okay.
but with the overdrive you use 1040 motor oil.
So, what am I gonna say now? Is that it? You haven't got no brand new interior in there? or
No,
anything?
actually,
Did you have any stainless on the side of it?
oh yes, right.
I'll
Right.
take that. What the heck?
Yes, I don't need that anymore.
No.
No, but the switch on top of the gearbox,
Yes.
all that's for is to enable you to, or it limits your use of overdrive in 4th gear only.
Okay.
I bypassed it.
Right.
So, when you bypass that switch, you can use overdrive in all 4 forward gears.
Okay.
So it basically gives you 8 speeds ahead.
Wow.
Wow.
Joey, that looks familiar. How we made ours? Molded up to our transmission.
Yeah.
Remember on the
Mhm.
flathead V8? And they do the exact same thing we made ours.
Okay. Now that one there, I didn't have to make anything for that.
Yeah.
Now, the only thing I made for that was a Allen key for taking the transmission off the motor. Because
I should have one of those.
all it is I took an Allen key and cut it off with a mini grinder.
Yeah.
And used but that much socket extensions. That way you can take the 4 bolts out in a matter of 5 minutes. Using a
Maybe I'll call you when I need some mechanical work done. You'll know exactly what's going on, won't you?
Oh, I've had